how to choose a business name or check the availability of the business name. For that, there are three different ways that we are going to see in this video. The first way is that you open up your browser and simply search for that particular name on Google, and you should be able to see the results. If there is any company, then it should appear in the search results. This is the easiest way. Now the second way is that you open up all the official social medias out there like LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, or any other. Then just simply search it up for that particular name on that particular social media, and you should be able to see the results by yourself and check out whether the name is already there or not. And the third way is that you open up the business filing agency's official website of your region or your country and check out with them. Like, you can open up the Ministry of Corporate Affairs website, or you can also open up the US Small Business Administration's website and check out with them whether there is a name available or not. And this way you should be able to check out all the details related to any particular business, and this is how it all works. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.